will agree with that because you're telling me the story and I'm not there, so it's definitely an accident. Yeah. Accidents happen.
Totally
Man,
an accident, guy.
I should really go and do something. It's been an hour since like over an hour since I said I was
Oh,
gonna go.
goddammit.
A lot of design and thought went into this. Much graphics.
Much graphics, very detailed. Well,
Mikey, did you just go into overdrive? Jesus Christ. I hate this community, but at the same time, it's funny as shit.
I don't even know where we're even going, Nick. Where are you going to go?
Let's go to fucking sea, I guess.
Okay, man.
Jesus Christ, too drunk for this shit.
fast travel to Whiterun, and hopefully the cultists will appear.
Where's he already, though?
Oh, wait a minute. To do the Dragonborn questline, do you have to finish the, like, standard quest first?
No, it should give you an option to go somewhere else.
Because, I mean, vampires are everywhere, so Dawnguard has started.
The Dragonborn is what? A vampire shit?
Dawnguard is with the vampires, Dragonborn's where you go to Solstheim with the
actually hit
Dark
the guy?
Elves. And smoke
Dark
mushrooms.
I have all the DLC, I think.
It's the one where you go on the boat to the island.
Oh, I have that one.
But you need to be attacked by some dragon cultists first, and I actually don't know what the criteria are for them to appear. Ah, Google, my old friend. I see you again.
Bombers, torpedo bombers coming in. I launched my fighter plane.
I launched whatever plane that was.
It's fighter plane. Oh, there's Nuremberg right over here beside us.
Okay, fuck me up.
You need to finish the Horn of Jürgen Windcaller before you start again.
I citadeled him.
Hi, Hrothgar, we go.
Oh yeah.
Citadeled again.
Shoot the shit out of him with AP.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You got fucked up, Nick.
I got raped.
I just walked in a circle 7 times until I realized which
I'll
direction
be
I
like,
needed
ouch,
to go.
sorry.
Oh, an assassin. Why someone hired an assassin?
Oh wow, I'm flipping upside down. I'm capsizing. What?
Yeah, that's the new sinking animations they put in. You actually sink. Like, properly.
What the hell ship is he?
Congo.
That's why.
He just splash damaged me for 2k.
Ooh, twice, yeah. Jesus Christ, yeah, that's why.
Played this game for so many hundreds of hours and it still sounds so good. Just, you know?
Oh my butthole!
That's the one. Yeah. Gives me the tinglies.
Give you
Oh.
something else that tingles.
I went for a swim and now I'm gonna freeze to death. That might tingle a little.
Oh, did you install that realism mod?
Yeah, and I've even got one where I need to eat and drink or else I die as well.
Nice.
Well, that one doesn't make me die, it just makes it stamina doesn't regen, less
Did you
health,
get it off
take
a
more
PC
damage.
Gamer or whatever that they recommended and shit?
No? Ew.
Ew? What?
I hunted these for myself.
Oh, okay, scrub. What's it called? The realism mod or whatever?
Frostfall, hypothermia.
Yeah, that's the one.
Skyrim mods are fucking amazing.
The one I can't live without though is the one that I've got for the customization. Where like the character customization just has like 50,000 extra sliders and you can put emotion on your face or it's just a blank stare all the time. Great. Love it. Sterile and I like the taste. My chair is too noisy.
The enemy is about to win.
Oh, I just realized I made myself level 20, but it didn't give me any perk points or like extra health bits because, oh god.
It won't do that. Yeah,
Yeah.
it won't actually give you
Super
perk
weak,
points.
super high level. Works in Fallout though.
Yeah, Skyrim it doesn't work.
Oh boy, spell
Probably because you have to
tome,
work for it,
summon
yeah.
rabbit. Yeah, summon rabbit. That's gonna be the best spell I'll ever own. Actually, no, I think the Chorus might be nice. Those things are deadly. You should join the Mages College in Winterhold. Shut up, Farengar. Farengar! So you're a late... You're a late pretty wake. No, you're awake pretty late, Nick, aren't you?
It's only 12:06.
Let's say it's not that bad.
Oh.
It's weekend, man.
This
We don't
was
have to
like-
work, so it's kind of nice.
I just can't like